everyone, it's Holly here from Hollywood Beauty on Instagram. Make sure to go over there and follow me, and don't forget to subscribe to me here on YouTube as well. I post every single week with brand new beauty and style videos for you. So today's video is of course my favorite, my go-to absolute favorite. Summer Fridays has a brand new blush balm launch, and I'm going to be reviewing it and giving you guys a tutorial on how I like to wear these. So the shades they already have, I've been wearing in my makeup kit since they launched. They're just a go-to. I grab them. I like how the container feels. I like how they smell. I like how they apply and look on the skin. So I just keep grabbing them. So I'm really excited. They launched a brand new color. It's called Dusty Rose. These are the original colors. The original ones are pink, red, and like a nude coral, I want to say. The new color is a Dusty Rose. So I like, my go-to recently was Heat Wave. Like, I just kept applying this. I like to mix Pink Skies and Heat Wave, or Warm Desert and Heat Wave. The Heat Wave one, the red one, makes you look like you have a little bit of sun, a little bit of sunburn. We don't want real sunburn, but just the makeup look looks really chic. I did a review on the other blush sticks, which I will leave down below. I also have a Summer Fridays discount code for 15% off anything on their site. So don't forget to use that if you're interested in buying anything. It's Hollywood Beauty. I'll leave that info and some links to these products down below to make it easy for you. So in case you're unfamiliar with the blush stick balms, it's a like cream stick for the cheeks, hyaluronic acid, glycerin for hydrating. Hyaluronic acid adds a little bit of skincare to the makeup, which I absolutely love. I really love this balm because it is kind of like a skincare makeup situation, and that's like my favorite thing, skincare-y makeup, I call it. It's in this kind of whitey cream container, soft touch plastic. Applicator, it looks just like this. You just twist it to advance the product. What I like to do is apply with my middle and my ring finger. So I'll just put some product on there. I feel like I just have more control when I do this, and then I mix it with my other two fingers, and then I kind of dab on the skin. I like that better than applying directly on the skin. For sure can get probably the same effect. I'm just being kind of fussy about it. And I like to go up and out like this, up to my under eye area. And I just kind of reapply as needed. I like to just add a little bit, not add too much. I like to add kind of as I go, rather than just do it in one wash and then not be happy with it, because it's really hard to take blush off, cream blush especially. Okay, so that is really nice. Look at that color. It's a very natural, kind of flushy color. Is that a term that makes sense? Flushy. Blend it up into the hairline so there's no lines into my contour. Really cute. I do like to apply it on the nose sometimes. Very soft blush. It really is a Dusty Rose look. It looks very classy. That is the application, and that is my little review and update on the Summer Fridays blush balm sticks. Don't forget to use my discount code for 15% off, Hollywood Beauty. And you can try some of these out. I love to mix and match them. And don't forget to like this video and follow me here at Hollywood Beauty on YouTube. Don't forget to head over to Instagram as well and follow me over there at Hollywood Beauty. I'd love to see you over there. So as always, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time.
All the shrimp and lobster towers, but it's me that gets devoured.